Next step is to remove the half shafts from the spindle. It's an 8mm. Oh. This is tricky. I learned something here. I should have broke these free before removing the drive shaft. Oh yeah. Should have broke these free before removing the drive shaft. Well, that was a big fail. Big fail. Now I gotta fight with this. Alright, I'm gonna try and just support a wrench somewhere else. I ended up breaking the one free over here instead. Alright, I have the straps off. Now I need to get the half shaft out of the spindle. There we go, it just popped out. I pretty much have it horizontal, and at that point the caps of the U-joint popped right out of the spindle. Okay. All right, one side down. There we go, it just broke free. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. Okay, these are all covered up. 2 bolts left, guys, and the rear end comes out of the car. I did buy a transmission jack from Harbor Freight. It was cheaper than anything out there. I'm gonna use it just to pretty much save my back, and I can use it to lift other things as well. So you know, I can use it for more than just this one project. In fact, I will definitely use it for more than this one project. But I'm getting ready to remove the differential from the back of the car. The next step is to support it before I remove the 2 bolts that hold in the batwing. Okay. Okay, it's free. The rear end should be completely free. Alright, so I just broke the rear end free and I dropped it a little bit, and I see that it's off balance. So I have this control here to balance it. Let's drop it again. Look at that. Looks like I need to come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. Now I have the C-beam connected to the car still. It's unbolted, but I'm going to just slide the differential or the rear out from the C-beam. I just need to clear the ends. I'm almost there. Okay. move everything out of the way and let me scoot this over a little bit. Let's see if I can just Alright, now that I have everything clear, I can slide the differential over. For the C-beam, there we go, the C-beam is free. Now I can remove the C-beam. Okay, the C-beam is out of the car, so if I tilt that end down, I'll go under the tie rod. Now I'm stuck right here on the spindle. There we go. Can I lift this up? Can I drop this down a little bit? Can. Twist it. There we go, guys. Let me balance this back out. Tie rods are out of the way. It's out of the way of everything except this corner here. I should be able to drop it straight down. Alright guys, it's ready to come out. I have the jack bottomed out. I do have some 2x4s on here. I did that so the bolts didn't damage my aluminum differential at all. But at 16.5 inches where I jacked the car up, I have plenty of clearance to just get this out.